When you take your car in for what seems like a simple service, have you ever stopped to think about the crazy complexity hiding under the hood? It's not just nuts and bolts anymore. It's this whole web of sensors, computers, and really specific rules from the manufacturer. So today, we're going to pop the hood on the digital toolkit that is totally changing the game for modern mechanics. I mean, that's the big question, right? You drop off your keys, and a little while later, your phone rings. They've got a super specific diagnosis and a quote that's timed down to the minute. So how do they do that? Well, it's not a lucky guess. It's all about data. And we're about to see exactly how it works. The challenge mechanics face today is, honestly, huge. Think about the thousands of different cars out there, all with their own little quirks. Specs are changing all the time. They need the right info for your car, and they need it right now. On top of all that, they're under pressure to give you a quote that's fair, accurate, and keeps their business running. It's a real balancing act. So what's the secret weapon? How do they handle all this? Well, they turn to some seriously sophisticated software. Today, we're going to take a look inside one of the most powerful tools out there, the Haynes Pro Technical Module. The best way to think about it is like a massive, interactive encyclopedia for pretty much any car you can imagine, and it's packed with official data straight from the manufacturers. We're talking OEM, Original Equipment Manufacturer Specs. This is the official playbook, the single source of truth for everything from an oil change to a major engine repair. So to really see how it works, we're going to break it down into three main parts. First, we'll see how it makes sure every single job is done with absolute precision. Then, we'll get into how it helps master the tricky world of costs and estimates. And finally, we'll check out the massive library of knowledge it puts right at a mechanic's fingertips. All right, let's kick things off with precision, because getting a repair done right means you have to follow the manufacturer's playbook down to the last detail. And this is where a tool like this really starts to shine. So what you're seeing here is a perfect example of a maintenance schedule. A mechanic just enters your car's details and boom, the software spits out this exact checklist. It tells them every single task, the specific part numbers they need to use, and even these super critical details like the exact tightening torque for a bolt. It's all straight from the manufacturer. And here's what's so cool about this. It's flexible. The mechanic gets this super detailed technical version for themselves. But for you, the car owner, they can print out a simple, clean summary. That way, you can see exactly what they did without having to be an engineer yourself. Now we're getting into the real nitty-gritty. This adjustment data is where those tiny details live, and these details are absolutely crucial. I mean, think about it. If you use the wrong type of oil or don't tighten a bolt just right, it could cause huge problems down the line. This system makes sure they have the exact fluid type, the precise amounts, and every torque setting they need, instantly. Okay, so we've nailed down the precision part. Now let's talk about the money. How does all this help create a fair price? Well, a good estimate really comes down to one thing: getting the time right. And this is where the software is a game changer for building trust. Let's take a massive job, for example, like removing and putting back an entire engine. How long should that actually take? Well, the software gives the standard manufacturer repair time, exactly 8.0 hours. This isn't a guess. It's the official benchmark time set by the people who actually designed and built the car. And the system is incredibly precise. It doesn't just round to the nearest half hour. Time is calculated using a decimal system. So if a job is listed as 1.1 hours, that translates to exactly 1 hour and 6 minutes. This level of detail means the final bill is as accurate as it can possibly be. But this right here is probably the most important feature, especially when you're getting a few different things fixed at once. Imagine two different repairs both require taking off the same part. The old way, you might get charged for that labor twice. But this software is smart. It sees that overlap and automatically removes the extra time, so you only pay for it once. And that really is the whole point. For the garage, it's about building trust. And for you, it's knowing that the price you're paying is fair because it's calculated with logic that actually prevents you from being overcharged. It's just transparent. So in the end, the cost estimator tool pulls all of this together. It takes those precise labor times, adds in the cost of the parts, and applies the workshop's hourly rate. What comes out is a clean, professional quote that lays out every single charge clear as day. Now, beyond just scheduling and quoting, this software is also a massive digital library. It puts an entire universe of automotive knowledge right there on the computer screen. So if a mechanic gets stuck on a really tricky repair, they can just pull up a step-by-step manual, complete with detailed pictures. They can look at technical drawings that are like an engineer's blueprint, showing every single part. And you know those mysterious warning lights on the dashboard? They can look them up in seconds and get a solution right on the spot. It's all about having the right answer, always. Which brings us to a final thought here. We always think of a mechanic's most important tool as, a wrench or a screwdriver. But as our cars become more and more like complex computers on wheels, you really have to wonder, is the most critical tool in the modern garage now the software itself?